Discover the vibrant flavors of Uganda as I take you on a mouth-watering journey for the very first time in Kampala. I am diving into a variety of authentic local street foods to find out if Uganda cuisine lives up to its delicious reputation. Get ready to discover the prices with delicious, surprise, and honest reaction. Okay, so we're gonna try the chukcomando, guys. Mixture of roll chapati with egg and beans, guys. This is like kidney beans. You can see it, guys. This is kidney beans and little bit soupy. So let's see how it tastes. And we can tell you which one you can go for it, Rolex or chukcomando. Okay guys, so we are in Uganda, Kampala, and this is 10,000 Ugandan shilling. Today we're gonna see like how enough for it, or what can 10,000 Ugandan shilling do for you in Uganda. So by using this amount, we can get to know that how costly or is Uganda cheap or costly. So stay tuned, and we're gonna dive into local and street food by this money. So we are in one place here in Kampala, and we are going to try the Kampala Ugandan street food, guys. So I will just show you. So you said this one name is Irish. This is Irish, guys. So I don't know. It's gonna be my first time to try it. And this is fried chicken. Like this one, for one piece is 2K, and from this side one piece is 3K. So we're gonna try from each one. So give me one from this one. So we are going to taste the Ugandan Kampala street food, guys, and we will tell you how it tastes, how it's really like. Yeah, have it whole. I'm speaking to him in Arabic, guys. So this is like chicken fry, Ugandan street food, the first bite. Guys, it is super tender, like well cooked, and the taste like is not super spicy. Like the masala is well balanced, not salty, not spicy, but it's nice, guys. But the only thing is that it's not crunchy. Yeah, that is the only different thing. But it's nice. It's nice, guys. 2K I think is less than $1, guys. So I will come back to this. So give me from this one. I have this one. Irish is like what? Irish potato. Potato, right? That is potato, okay. So this is potato, guys, fried potato. It's like fried potato. This is how it look like. I don't know from where to start. Let me show you inside. Okay, inside is potato, guys. This is potato, basically potato and fried. It's also nice, guys. Like, I don't know, they coat it like the outer part, what is it made of, but anyway, Inside is just a potato, and it's not that much having so much of masala, or you can say chili. Nothing is inside, but the taste is neutral. Is nice. Like easily anyone can consume. Even kids, they can easily eat it. They can easily consume this, guys. It's nice, and this is only 1k, like 1,000 Ugandan shilling, and this is 2,000 Ugandan shilling, like chicken leg piece. Actually, guys, today is Sunday, and I thought maybe if I come to the market in Sunday, it might be less busy. But to be honest, just know that this market, or Kampala, or whatever you call, or market, so the places are really too busy, especially the local market. Yes, so we just have to expect that. So because they told me, like, usually in Sunday, like, this is Rolex, right? I think here they have Rolex. Yeah, Wagwan, what's up, brothers? How are you? Yeah, I want to try this. They call it what, Rolex, right? Yeah. Just make me one. Yes. This one you make it with beans or with egg? Which one is it?
Rolex is with egg. So I want with beans.
Huh? Which one we'll try with? Rolex, huh? Okay. Make us Rolex, guys. Guys, this is we are going to try Rolex. Like this is Ugandan famous street food and mostly consumed here in Uganda. So they say Rolex. Like Rolex is kind of like chapati with egg, which they call Rolex. But here they call it Rolex because it got famous and people got to call it Rolex instead of Rolex. And there is also another one which like they make it with beans. Like it's a choice if you want it to have it with beans, whereby they do the chapati along with egg, and then they chop it, they cut it, and they add beans on it. Then you can have. But that one is a choice, guys. So basically, this how they do it, guys. So you can see this is egg, and they add some little bit of onion and maybe veg. They fry it, and after that they are going to put one chapati on it. Yeah. So they use egg here. Now they have added chapati on it. They have added chapati on it, guys, together with egg. You said you have beans, right?
Yes.
Okay, just do one thing. I want to try it with beans.
Another one with beans.
Okay. So make another with beans. Don't roll it, I want to eat it. No. Hold. Rolex, okay? But here Rolex is a food, okay? So we're gonna try the Ugandan Rolex. I think he added little bit extra of salt. But this is nice, which they usually consume for breakfast, guys. It's a little bit heavy to eat. That is why people or local people here love to eat it, guys, because like here in Africa or Uganda, you can say, people need heavy food, guys, especially in the morning, because people have a lot of work to do, and like mostly people here also consume maybe 2 to 3 meals in a day. So if you eat like this in the morning, I think this will make you feel great or satisfied. Maybe you can eat after 5 to 6 hours again. This is nice, but I think if they have added kind of a bit of sauce, whatever sauce, tomato sauce or mayonnaise sauce, then it will be more juicy. The one mixed with chapati, how they call it? Huh? This is called Rolex, right? When you mix it with this one, you mix with that one. How you call it? Chukcomando. Okay. So we're gonna try chukcomando. Chukcomando is like is it Ugandan or English? It's Ugandan language, right? So if you want chukcomando, right? So if you want to eat the one mixed with egg with beans, you call it chukcomando. And this one is Rolex, guys. We're gonna taste. We're gonna try chukcomando. We're gonna try chukcomando for the first time, guys. This is fine, but let's wait for chukcomando. We'll see which one win. Kidam to belly for your man. Silky star ne put Okay. Wait, I wanna try it. Okay, this is what they call it, chukcomando here, guys. Basically, is just like the Rolex. You know, Rolex is like chapati with the fried eggs and some vegetable. So to make chukcomando, they have added these beans. I don't know if beans is called chukcomando here or what, but anyway, this is the name of this food. If you want to try this famous Ugandan food, you have to say chukcomando. Hold it for me. Yeah, let me try for them chukcomando, guys. This is chukcomando, most famous. Let me first get you the thumbnail here. You're welcome, sir. Hold for me. Okay, so we're gonna try the chukcomando, guys. Mixture of roll chapati with egg and beans, guys. This is like kidney beans. You can see it, guys. This is kidney beans and little bit soupy. So let's see how it tastes. And we can tell you which one you can go for it, Rolex or chukcomando. This is amazing, guys. You know what make it amazing, like tastier, because like the bean soup make it more juicier and little bit juicier. You know, juicy. When it's juicy, you can easily consume it. But eating Rolex alone, like I prefer it. Like if you want to go for Rolex, then you can have a drink with it, then it will be a nice combination. But this one easily you can consume, guys, because it's so juicy and so nice. The last bite. This is nice. Now for me, I'll go for chukcomando. But Rolex is also amazing. I'm not saying it's bad, but this is more juicier, guys. And this is like the most consumed food here in Uganda. And I can say also like among the most affordable food, because having this one, this is like 2K or 3K. The Rolex is 2K only. Like it depends on the places. Some places they sell even this one with 2K, and Rolex mostly is 2K. So which is less than $2, guys. So this one I rated 9, and Rolex will come up with 8, guys. Nice. I love the Ugandan food. So drop out, guys. Let me know which other local food I should go, and in my mind is matooke. So other than matooke, which will be next, drop the comment and stay tuned. I'll be staying in Uganda for more months, guys. So suggest some content if you are watching from Uganda. Suggest some places and amazing things that I can discover or try or explore outside here. Love from Africa. Love you all.